Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing 2 Dollar Tree DIYs that I put together for Valentine's Day, or really for anytime you want to celebrate or decorate with hearts. I'm planning on leaving these decor pieces up for the whole month of February. So the first one that I'm working on is this picture frame heart. I'm just using this Dollar Tree item to create the frame of the heart, and then I'm using these roses that I already had on hand that happened to come from the Dollar Tree a couple of years ago, and I'm just going to make the outline of a heart. And spray paint the frame with some white spray paint, and then I'm going to hang the heart inside the frame so that it appears as though it's its own separate thing, but it's actually hanging by some clear thread. that is the first DIY. The second one that I'm creating is kind of like a countdown to Valentine's Day. My son asked if we could do another Advent style calendar for Valentine's Day. So starting on February 1st, we're going to take out an activity, and then we're going to do something for each day leading up to Valentine's Day, including Valentine's Day. So on the last day, I'm going to just give a little gift or something. But each day we're going to try to do something centered around care and love and family activity type stuff. So I created this heart wreath using this wooden frame that I already had, and I'm using my Cricut to cut out these heart shapes. I'm going to glue them together with a glue stick, leaving a little opening on the side. And this is where I'm going to insert the activities. I already measured, so I can tell that each heart needs to be 3 inches so that it can go all the way around the wreath shape. I'm going to number each one of the hearts. And this is what we're going to use starting February 1st. These were just 2 quick Dollar Tree DIYs that are easy to just decorate with some hearts for the season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.